Welcome to Trek Travelers Hub. Today I am going to unbox Redswiss eggbitter RSHM 200B model. This is a 600 watt hand mixer. Long hooks 2, long beaters 2, 100% copper motor, overheat protection, premium European quality. The build quality is good. Overheat protection, big motor, circulating cooling, one key to retract the steer bar, extra thick silicone steel sheet, pure copper and high torque motor, spiral radiating fin. See, there are 5 speed indicator here. You can turn it on or off by pressing the switch, and these are the point where you can attach the hook. It is very useful for beating egg and for making cake. You can also use it. This is hook, 2 hook and 2 beater. Okay, these are hooks and these are beaters. Okay, stainless steel, and really build quality is really good. After press a long press, it will attach, and this is the eject button. If you press it, then it will easily open from the point. 600 watt. I hope it will work fine. Didn't use it, so don't know how good it is. After using for a while, I will try to give a review about it. The outlook is really impressive and the build quality is good. Hope it will work fine. And this is the downside of the hand mixer. This is how you can attach the hook and beater. I have already uploaded another video in my channel, Caribbean hand mixer, 4 years back. It was really good. I am using it till now. If you search by writing Caribbean hand mixer, you will find the video. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.